How to change carousel photo sequence on Instagram. Quick and easy. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to change the sequence of photos on Instagram carousel. So let's get started. First of all, what is Instagram carousel? It means when you add multiple photo posts like this on Instagram. So if you have like more than one photos added, you have like 5 photos and 6 or 10 photos, and we sometimes add a photo at number one, then we have like at second, third, fourth, but later we feel like, okay, this photo should be at the end and this photo should be at number one. So how to actually rearrange them? It is possible and we can do this. You will go to your profile first and you will select the post you want to go for. So I have a post right here. You can see it has 3 photos and I actually want to send this one at the end and bring this one to number 2. How to do that? You will click on these 3 dots at the top, click on edit. Now it will give you the delete option, like you can delete one of the photos from multiple photo posts. I'm gonna delete this one because I want to rearrange this photo. Click on delete, delete again, and the photo will be deleted. Check, refresh, and you can see we have 2 photos left. Now you will click on these 3 lines at the top, click on your activity, then click on recently deleted and it will show you the photos you have deleted. This is the photo. Select the photo, it will open it up. You will get the restore option and restore this photo again. Once you restore it, it will be added at the end of the photos. That means this photo is going to be number 1, this is going to be at second, and then that photo will be at number 3rd. The photo that I had at number 2nd. So that's how we can rearrange the sequence of the photos. I hope you understand. And you can go ahead and now rearrange the Instagram carousel and the sequence very easily. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.